Hey friends, so today I am testing out a bunch of different cleaning products that I got from Temu. I'm going to be showing you guys along the video as I unbox them. I'm going to try them out for you guys and you can see for yourself whether or not they work. So are they good or are they whack? You can tell for yourself. But if you haven't heard about Temu, Temu is a app where you can literally find anything and everything for its household items, clothing, and so much more. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. You can go ahead and shop the products that you see in today's video and download the app to be able to get $100 free for your first order. Give a coupon code across the screen. You can also check that out for extra discount. So guys, before further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Don't forget to check out the description box and download the Temu app and use my coupon code for extra savings. I ordered were these cleaning gloves. They're thicker, softer, and more comfortable. I believe it's a pack of 50. I do a lot of cleaning and I sponge grinding block. So you're supposed to use it to remove stains and grinds off your pots, the pot bottom at least. We all know that that's very difficult to get rid of. And I'm also going to leave the prices across the screen for you guys here. Majority of the stuff that I ordered were under $1 or at least $1, so they're very affordable. My third item are these cleaning sponges. One, and I love the colors, pink, yellow, and green. Perfect and bright colors for the spring and summertime. The fourth item I ordered were these. They're supposed to be grill cleaning brush, but I'm so happy that they're this small. I'm not going to be using it to clean any grill, but I am going to be using it to clean those grills inside the oven. I'm going to use this to try it on it. Hopefully it gets the job done, because those things are really hard to clean. If you know, you know. My next find is this. I think it's a 2 or 3 in 1. Everything will be included in the description box, but I think it's a 2 or 3 in 1 glass cleaner, and you can include you can put your solution in here, and then there's a little spray bottle, so you spray it and you swipe, wipe. So I'm really excited for this one. This one is a pot scraper, so you use it to scrape away excess food and stuff in your pot. And it has a little silicone edge, and I love the little handle here. You can use it to hang and stuff or grip it right here. So this is really cool. Next I have these cleaning brushes. They are Crivix cleaning brush, so they're supposed to help you get into hard to reach places such as door seals, window seals, baseboards, and so much more. I got it in a pack of 3. It's really affordable and I love the curve handle. The next item is this glass stovetop scraper, and it slides out to this. It feels sharp, but it's for glass cooktop. And if you have one, then you know the struggles. Like, it can be difficult to clean. So I'm excited to test this on it and see if it works out. If it works. There's another exciting find. It's a mini mop. So it goes out like that, and then you press this and it retracts. And it comes with the little mop head. Now I love these sponges. It looks similar to the dam dusters, so I guess it's made from the same material, and if you know, the dam dusters are amazing, so I'm sure this will work just as good. But this is so cool. Look at that. You just snap it on here and it retracts in it. But look how cute it is. The next item is this extended cleaning brush, and it comes with a velcro attachment. Snap it on like this, and then this is a sponge, and you use it to clean. You can use it to clean your toilet, your floors, your sink, bathtub, and shower, so much more. And then you can of course hook it on something like this to store it away. That's really cool, and I love that the sponge is removable, so you can wash your sponge and clean your sponge afterwards. And I love the bent handle, and I love this part. It's a little details for me, so you can put your thumb right here to get a nice little grip and clean. So this is really cool. It's supposed to be a drain cleaner, So I love it. Looks like a bottle nipple brush, and it's flexible, and I love all the grooves. So this is unique. I currently own one, but it's nothing like this. So another exciting find is this cleaning, I don't know what to call it. Basically you use it to get on hard to reach places, like under your refrigerator, beside of your refrigerator, between your stove cracks, and under your bed, etc. So you just attach it like this. I think it's extendable. I'm not sure yet. It's extendable. That's pretty cool. It extends really far, so that's pretty cool. And it also comes with a extra microfiber cloth, so you can change and take them off and wash them, and it's bendable. Now this little baby, I believe a couple cents. Again, all the prices will be linked across this screen, and this is what it looks like. This is a life hammer. You can attach it to your keychain, and you suppose in case of an emergency, you get trapped in a car, you can use this to break the window. That's what it was made for. Now I'm trying to figure out how. Oh, it comes with a seatbelt cutter too. So you just remove this, and you can cut your seatbelt with that in case of an emergency. And this, the top, oh, right here, you tap this on the windscreen glass, and it breaks the window, and it cover it, close it, close it back up. So that's pretty cool. Really great gadget and safety thing to have in your car, and it was really affordable, extremely affordable. It came with this glass inside of it, so I'm assuming this glass is a test glass, so you can actually test it out to see if it works or not before you end up in an emergency or a life-threatening situation, and then you try to use it and it doesn't work out. So I am assuming this is a test glass that they include inside the kit for you to try out, which is really smart, and it's a really smart idea. Caulk remover, and it comes with 5 of these rubber things, and again you can push it up like that. And it comes with the metal bottom, and then the other part is just plastic, but it looks like you can use it to scrape stuff, but we'll figure it out. Okay guys, that concludes my Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoy seeing me use all these products and test them out for you guys as much as I enjoyed using them. Absolutely love each and every one of the items I selected, and I am going to be enjoy using them for whatever lifespan they have. Okay guys, if you are new to Temu and this is your first time finding out about it, definitely click the link in my bio. I'm also going to pin it in the comment section. You can go ahead, click the link, download the Temu app. They offer you $100 for first time users. So if it's your first time downloading the app, go ahead and shop for free. I mean, you can get a ton for $100. Everything that I just showed you guys, it costs $30. So the things are extremely affordable, great quality, and they work, as you can see for yourself. Also guys, don't forget to use my coupon code FAB22250 and enjoy extra savings. All the details to the link and my coupon code will be linked in the description box, and if you see a product that you like, it'll also be linked in the description box. You can click that link directly and it will take you to the app or the website. Okay guys, oh, and I forgot to mention they offer really great returns, fast shipping, reliable, and great savings. They offer great return policies and cashback. If there's something that you order and you go back on the site and you saw that there's price reduction, you can apply to get a cashback. So definitely go ahead and check out Temu. Thank you guys for watching and hanging with me. Until next time guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.